video, I'm going to show you a trick that I've used consistently to land a full-time role or even a contract position on LinkedIn. There are tricks that you can use on LinkedIn to land roles, and in this video I will show you all of that. So whether you're someone that is a techie or you're from a non-tech background, you can use this search feature that I'm going to show you to be able to search for jobs on LinkedIn. So let's just dive in and let's get started. Watch this video to the end to see how I'm going to show you how you can easily search for jobs on LinkedIn. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you back here. So what do I have for you today? On today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure on how you can get a perfect role, save searches, and set alerts for job offers on LinkedIn. Yes, you can actually do all of that, and this is a method that I've actually used consistently to get opportunities, numerous opportunities on LinkedIn, both contract position, full-time jobs, or even connect with a lot of great minds on the platform. So this video, I'm going to show you a procedure that you can just easily get all of this on just a simple click, just few clicks and few settings, and you'll be able to get all of this. So let's just dive in and let's get started. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button because I talk about opportunities in tech, AI, anything career and growth. So this is LinkedIn platform right now, and all you need to do is to first click on this job icon here, the jobs. So just click on the jobs and it's loading up. Now that it has opened, what next? Let's search for a job right now. So I'll come to this search button here. I'll come to this search here and let me click, for example, let me click UI. Let me click product designer, or let's use product manager. Product manager role, and I click on the search now and I click on enter, and this is the jobs that it gave me for the product manager role. Also note that you can also do this with your phone as well, with your mobile device. So what do I do now? It has given me roles of product managers, and this one currently is what is showing up on the right side here. So I will just click on the job posted. This settings now is what you can actually use to optimize how you want your jobs to be displayed at all times. So this is the date posted. Do I want to see jobs that was just posted for the past month or the past week or the past 24 hours? Okay, so maybe I just want to see for the past week alone. I just want to see for the past week, and I'll click on show results, and it's now showing me jobs posted for the past, product manager roles posted for the past week. So now for the level of experience, I'm probably a mid to senior level person, so I will set it to I just need roles for a mid to senior level position. If I'm looking for internship, I will use the internship option. If I'm looking for entry level roles, I'll use that. So it depends on what you are searching for. So for the company, you can as well include the company you're searching, the particular company that you're looking for a role in. You can type in the company's name. As far as the company is on LinkedIn, it's going to display here. So I will just leave this one because I just want to see for all companies. Then for the remote position, okay, when you just click on this remote position, it will ask you whether you want remote jobs, you want on-site jobs, or you want hybrid jobs. I want to see both for remote and on-site, and I'll mark the both of them and click on show results. So what else? Easy apply. Do I want that of easy apply, or I just want any type? Easy apply means you will just input your CV should be there already, or if it's not uploaded, you just upload your CV and just answer a few questions, maybe 1 or 2 questions, and that is all. That is why they say easy apply. But if it's not easy apply, if you just want to see anyone, you can just see the ones that it will take you to a different website, and you'll be able to apply for the job there. The questions you might be asked to answer might be actually much. So I just want the easy apply. But if I want to get a broad and wider range of options, I can decide to leave the easy apply and choose and to be able to see any other role there. And this is it, and this is the roles that it gave me after I have optimized this search now. So what do? I will just click on this set alert option, and I'll mark the set alert. And once I've marked this set alert now, anytime this type of opportunity comes up, the particular job and the week it was posted and all these options that I have set here, anytime this job opportunity comes up, it will pop out on your mobile device and also send you a mail that this particular job opportunities is on board and you can easily apply. So guys, this is an opportunity for you to just easily apply without always checking up on your phone that okay, which position is on, which is on. You can just easily set all this and you'll be able to apply. So that is it, guys. Any other thing here is another option is for you to message the recruiter. If it's not the company that, if you can also, if it's a recruiter in the company that's posted in like a human resource, you can message the person and tell the person that okay, you're available for the role. If you're not on LinkedIn Premium, you can just connect to the person first, and if the person connects with you back, you'll be able to message them. That is it, guys. So guys, if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.